Here we are doing the unboxing of the FUNERICA Cash Register. Bennett's going to get all the pieces out. There you go, to start laying everything out. Just like on the other videos. We're making a YouTube video, so other little kids can see how, if this is a good product or not.
Can I get this thing out?
Yes, I will help. Okay, go ahead. Just a little assistance for me. Pull.
Like this?
Yep. You got it. Keep pulling. Pull that part out. Pull. Good job. We're getting the cash register part out. Okay, that looks like everything. The box is now empty. Wow, looks like a pretty good setup. What are you thinking so far, Bennett? Good?
Yeah.
All right, what's this?
Can I open it?
Yeah.
I can't.
So you just do this. Twist. Do the other one. Do the one on the other side. Just twist and twist.
I can't.
I'll help you. You can. You're old enough. Okay, undo the rest. There you go. Okay, now turn it over and start pulling the stuff off. That's for your basket. Okay, let's see what it is. You want to take the plastic off? Show everybody what you got inside. Go ahead, what is this one? I know, but what's this? Let's open that. It's ready. Oh, what'd you get in the grocery basket? What is that?
A salt pepper.
Bell pepper, right. What else?
And what is this?
That is milk. That's cream. What's that?
Corn.
Yes, and
Chicken.
a chicken.
What's this? Cake.
Oh, yum! Strawberry cake. Okay, and you got a basket, grocery basket. Cool. All right. So what else did you get? Oh, what is that? Listen, did you hear that?
Yeah.
It made a cutting noise. Cool.
Put it in the pot.
Okay. Here, take the lid off. There you go, and you put it in the pot. Okay. Cooking that up. All right.
Now what's this?
Here's the stove, Bennett. Put it on the stove. All right. What else do you got over there? What's that? What's this one?
It's a tomato.
Tomato. Oh, cool. How do you like it so far? Would you recommend it to other kids?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, America, we're going to go finish playing with our cash register and food. We'll get back to you later.